Irish people were the first slaves in America, and nobody talks about it. They were ripped from their homes in Ireland, chained like animals, and sold for less than African slaves. In the 1600s, they were called white cargo, over 300,000, shipped off to the Caribbean and American colonies. They worked brutal sugar plantations under a sun that didn't care what color their skin was. Many died from disease, beatings, and starvation. Their graves, unmarked. Their names, forgotten. Some were crammed into coffin ships, packed below deck like freight, never to return. Even the word redneck, it comes from the Irish, burned raw in the Caribbean heat. But while others were freed, remembered, or repaid, the Irish got nothing. History was rewritten. They were renamed indentured servants, just to silence the truth. No reparations, no monuments, no place in the classroom, because pain has no color and truth has no side.